Hey, it's Kenny from Great3D.com here to show you guys a new product that I'm putting out. It's these side panels here that can fit on your mini quad. And you see this green side panel here? Pretty cool item. They are put on using our new accessory tabs. And these tabs aren't anything special. They're just a little piece of plastic here that go over the standoff. And let's see if I can get it to focus. After it goes on over the standoff, it has a little tiny brass insert here that can fit an M3 screw. So you can use this for pretty much anything, and eventually I'm going to adapt a lot of our products to accept these accessory tabs so you can quickly change from color to color, from component to component, depending on what the use is. But the first lineup that I have is going to be the side plates here. Side plates are pretty cool. They are laser cut, and they are made out of PETG clear material, so they're very nice, very sturdy, hold up really well in a crash and protect your inside components. I will have the ZMR 250 side panels cut with the holes already, I don't know if you can see them, but the holes already done for the side panels at the 60 millimeters for the center section, and also 50 millimeter lengths for the front and back sections here. So really cool, adds a whole different level of customization, possibly even sponsorships that you can fly some of your sponsors' logos and items on the side of your quad, or even add racing numbers to your mini quad. And as you can see, you can kind of set it up where you have numbers on different sides. You can switch these back and forth just by flipping the screws around. It's pretty easy to do, pretty cool product. So I'll just show you real quick, once you get your accessory tabs, kind of what you got to do to set them up. Like I said before, they come already pre-cut, and they have the protective skin still on the PETG, so that's something that you'll have to remove. And you can also buy pieces of vinyl strips in different colors. And what I'll do is I'll just peel the sticky back off of the vinyl and expose the sticky layer. And after you do that, you'll want to take the skin off of the PETG. Sometimes there'll be the little tiny hole cut out left in the side panels here, but those pop right back out. Like I said, they were laser cut, so everything is really precise and has a really nice finish on it. You might see a little tiny bit of laser scorching on the edges, but that is just the plastic skin. It's not the plastic PETG itself, so once you peel that skin, you'll see it go away. You take the skin off here and expose the shiny surface, and then you'll take it and just slowly apply the piece of vinyl to that surface. The vinyl is a little bit bigger than the piece itself, so you don't have to be perfect on this step. But once you do that, you can cut off the excess around. I'm just using scissors here, that's what I have handy, but probably would be best if you just use a razor around the edges to give you the best surface. Now I want to make these as open source as possible so you can use them on other frames. So I'll be offering a kit that also includes 100 millimeter length panels and no holes drilled in it, so you can drill your own holes, cut to your own length of the PETG, and get the desired hole location between the standoffs that you want. I'll have them in 35 millimeter widths, and also I think it's 20 millimeter width. So after I do that, I still have the skin on this side, so you'll want to remove that skin as well. Unless you want to keep it on there, it's totally up to you, but if you want the shiny surface, pull that off and you have your perfect little panel here. To put the panel on the side rails, I have this quick, and as you can see, it is compatible with our uni mounts, but you'll simply slide the panel over the standoff and push down, and I have the whole set for the front and back where it is on the bottom section and the middle sections are on the upper portion. So after you do that, you'll want to punch a little hole for your screws to go into through the vinyl. These will come with screws and washers. The reason why I'm throwing a few washers in there is if you use the screws on the vinyl side without a washer, then when the screw tightens, it'll want to kind of wear away your vinyl there, twist your vinyl. So if you're going to use the screws on the vinyl side, I would use the washer. If you're going to go for the shiny side like I do, then you don't really need the washer. But what you do is you push the screw through, you get to your panel. I'm just doing this with the top off so it's a little bit easier to access, and then you can just tighten your M3 bolts into the accessory tab on both sides. Also put these panels on while the standoffs are off, and then they'll just slide back on. Right now these currently only fit on the 5mm standoffs, but I will come out with a 6mm standoff version soon. Alright, so here you got it, and this was actually one of the prototypes, this first panel, so it's a little bit thicker than what you'll get in your kit. As you can see, these are a little bit thinner, but my prototype one I did a little bit taller. I found out that I needed that little bit of tolerance for a couple of the frames that are a little bit more rough cut. So there it is. It's a nice little panel. It's going to protect everything. Like I said, it's extremely strong. You're not going to be able to break it. If it gets pushed in, the accessory tab will kind of rotate inward with the item. So nothing's going to break. It's just got a lot of play on it. And this is a product that I really think is going to bring some cool looking builds. So I'm really excited to see what you guys can come up with them. And my next video, I'm going to show you a couple more ways to customize these side panels. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.